How challenging are missions to the asteroid belt? Imagine trying to send a spacecraft across hundreds of millions of miles of space, facing harsh conditions and tight deadlines. Missions to the asteroid belt are no walk in the park. The asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter, roughly 300 million to 500 million miles from Earth. That distance alone makes travel a big challenge. For example, reaching Mars takes about 253 days with current technology, but traveling to the asteroid belt would take over 18 months. This long journey creates serious issues for crewed missions because humans can only endure about 18 months in space without serious health risks. So, sending people to the asteroid belt means solving problems related to long-duration space travel and life support systems. The environment in the asteroid belt is extremely tough for spacecraft. Spacecraft must withstand intense radiation from the sun and cosmic rays, extreme temperature swings from very hot to very cold, and microgravity. These conditions demand highly reliable and autonomous machines because human help would be limited during such long trips. Landing on an asteroid is also tricky because of microgravity. Without gravity, anchoring or mining becomes complicated, requiring new engineering ideas. Fuel and propulsion are other big hurdles. The energy needed to reach and return from the asteroid belt is high. Spacecraft need efficient engines and enough fuel to make the trip feasible. One idea is to use Mars or its moon Phobos as a staging point. Phobos offers a natural shield from radiation and is easier to reach from Mars, which could make missions to the asteroid belt less costly and more practical. Building infrastructure on or near Mars could help support these missions and even lay the groundwork for future colonization efforts. Politics and money also play a role. Laws about space resource rights are still being developed, which makes it complicated for countries or companies to plan asteroid mining. Clear rules are needed for ownership and use of materials taken from space. The economic impact could be huge, as asteroid mining might supply rare metals and other resources, possibly changing global markets. But this also raises questions about fair sharing and international cooperation. In short, missions to the asteroid belt are very challenging because of the long distances, tough environment, technical needs, and legal questions. Overcoming these obstacles will require advances in rocket technology, autonomous systems, and international agreements. Using bases on Mars or its moons could make these missions more manageable. It's a complex puzzle, but one that could open up new worlds of resources and exploration in our solar system and beyond.